me, but hi.
We're not gonna talk. We're just gonna let you watch us eat and listen to.
Yeah, jelly, because we got Chinese food.
Yeah. We're just gonna watch it. We're gonna let y'all watch us.
Mom, you just interrupted our video. What
Yo!
Yo, my mom is the most stupid person I've ever seen. Oh my god, you're a fag. Yo, get out of here. Get out. Whose mans are you?
Snitchy.
I'm not snitchy. You.
Get out.
Oh, girl. Oh, boy.
Leave.
Alright, but aquí que viene my own kitchen.
Okay.
Disrespectful.
Ma, we're having a moment here.
We having a moment?
Not we, man. Honestly.
Oh, I'm gonna have a moment too. I'm not human.
I think it goes up when we have the webcam on.
You like my tree cut?
No.
Please.
With that ass bumping.
Why you laughing by yourself? Because you thought you was slick?
You thought you was gonna get away with it. I'm like,
Why
why is this lady showing me this paper? Like, I care. I saw this paper.
I don't like that anymore.
Love you too, Mom. And we never was married.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
She trying to act tough for the camera.
Okay, shut it off.
Bye.
Bye, guys.